In this video, we're checking out the Blaze Cast Aluminum Kamado, which is the first of its kind on the market. Let's take a look inside. The heavy-duty hexagonal cooking grids have a 20-inch diameter and are built for endurance of solid 304 stainless steel rods. Both sides of the grates are hinged, providing easy access for adding charcoal or smoking woods as needed. The grids are super thick and hex-shaped, which gives your food maximum caramelization and great grill marks every time. These grids weigh in at just under 14.5 pounds. With the cooking grids out of the way, we can take a look at how incredibly thick the cast aluminum body of Blaze's Kamado is. Traditionally, Kamados have been made from ceramics or a refractory material, which cook well, but they certainly lack the same durability of aluminum. The cast aluminum body of the Blaze Kamado not only provides superior durability, but aluminum is also excellent at retaining and dispersing heat. There's almost no limit to the type of cooking you can do in the Blaze Kamado. You can smoke something like brisket overnight to perfection without having to periodically add charcoal or deal with constant checking and babysitting. If low and slow isn't your style, crank up the heat for a perfect steakhouse sear. Just look at how juicy these steaks are. If dessert or baking is more your speed, no problem. The shape of the Kamado also provides the perfect convective heat needed for baking. Add a little smokiness to your favorite cookie recipe. Or raise the temp a little and fire a pizza for a perfectly wood-fired crispy crust. If you look closely, you'll notice the lip of the Kamado does not have a soft gasket like other Kamados. The Blaze Kamado uses its patent-pending tongue and groove design to keep smoke, moisture, and heat inside of the grill. This next level under the cooking grids is the 304 stainless steel middle grate, which weighs in at just under 12 pounds. This is where you can set in something like a heat deflector plate or water pan for smoking. This grid can also hold the stainless steel charcoal basket that comes with the optional Blaze Kamado Rotisserie kit. The charcoal basket makes for the perfect rotisserie cooking environment. Your food gets hit with intense infrared heat as it spins, allowing it to self-baste until perfectly roasted. The next level you see inside the Kamado is the 304 stainless steel bottom grate. This is where your charcoal and wood chunks will be placed. The charcoal grate weighs in at 9 3/4 pounds. It's worth noting that all of the notches that the grates rest on are solidly cast into the body of the grill for ease of use and stability. At the very bottom of the Blaze Kamado, there's a removable stainless steel ash pan, keeping cleanup simple. For precise temperature control, the top flue vent is seamlessly molded into the body of the Kamado. The damper wheel can be set in various positions for fine-tuning your desired temperature and smokiness level. For larger temperature adjustments, the bottom of the Kamado is equipped with a stainless steel draft door that can be tuned using this wheel. Or flip up this latch to open the door all the way for maximum airflow. Easily monitor the ambient temperature inside the Kamado with the hood-mounted thermometer, which is conveniently marked for smoking, BBQ roasting, and steakhouse searing. Other nice features include an all 304 stainless steel spring-assisted hinge, a smooth stainless steel lid handle, and to the side of the Kamado, Blaze has included a removable stainless steel plug that allows you to run an internal temperature probe to food cooking inside. This opening is also used for the optional rotisserie kit. The Blaze Kamado is available as a built-in, on a stainless steel cart, and it's also available with optional stainless steel side shelves that mount securely to the sides of the Kamado. Now I'll perform our XRF test on Blaze's Kamado Grill. The top, middle, and bottom grids tested to be 304 stainless steel. The body of the Kamado tested to be aluminum. The hinge, lid handle, side shelves, ash pan, bottom draft door, and Kamado cart all tested to be 304 stainless steel as well.